Hi everyone, Jose here from Rivian Tracker, sitting in my garage. I apologize for the sound. I decided that today was a good day to cut the grass. So here we are. So today I'm going to be installing something that EV Sportline sent over. They ended up giving me a discount, and I did pay for it, but they gave me a pretty good discount on it. And that is a heavy-duty aluminum skid plate that can be installed in front of your Rivian R1T and R1S. I'm going to show you what I mean, starting now. Hello, friend. It's got a couple bugs on it, but anyway, so this is what I was talking about. This is a skid plate that EV Sportline sent over. There's the front piece and then the back piece, and it comes in a box like that. And this is heavy duty metal, aluminum, and this is the plastic, fascia, and this goes, everybody has decided to make noise outside today, sorry about that, but pretty much this goes right here, and it replaces this plastic hunk of junk. I say that because look, mine's already cracking, and I don't even take this thing hardcore off-roading or anything, but look at that. So anyways, we're gonna pretty much replace this with the aluminum one. Now, I'm not going to do an install video because the folks at EV Sportline have done a great install video, and I'll link to their video. But I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and I'll give you my thoughts on how easy it was and all that. They have a lift, I don't. I pretty much set the Rivian to the highest setting I can. All-terrain, off-road, highest. So we're gonna do that. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. By the way, let me walk you over here to the workbench where I have all of the tools I need, plus all of the nuts and bolts that come with it. So all of this is in there. It comes with instructions. There's also, like I said, a great video online. And yeah, so let's get started. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing a different shirt, and that's because it's a different day. And no, I haven't fully installed the thing yet because I had to order something on Amazon I didn't have. I'm gonna show you what that is here in a second, but pretty much I just wasn't prepared, so to speak. And in no way is it my fault or even EV Sportline's fault. It's just that Rivian uses different nuts and bolts and tools to build their Gen 2 vehicles. And so I have here the panels for the skid plate I was talking about. But you see, I needed to get a special torque socket tool thing. And so I had to go on Amazon because none of my local stores had this. So I had to go on Amazon and order this external torque plus socket set to be able to actually remove some of the bolts from underneath the vehicle, which require a specialty socket that looks like that. It's not just a normal torque socket, it has to be a torque plus socket. So I'll leave a link below because you might need it too. And I've already talked to the folks at EV Sportline who will make sure to include this information in their description. I'm the first to run into this issue because I have an earlier Gen 2 vehicle from last year. So, I mean, it's gonna be different for everybody. But anyways, now I'm gonna work on installing it. So far, I was just removing a couple bolts, so it should be pretty easy. But yeah, let's go ahead and get it installed. So your experience may vary, but I had to take these panels off first. See how dirty they are. And these were the culprit screws or bolts or nuts that would not come out. And so what I needed was a 10, what is this? EP10 torque star thing. And very technical terms here, you guys. And let me show you what that looks like underneath the truck. Ugh. But so that's the panels right there. So we removed these right there. And now we're gonna remove this big boy, which you can see a crack here, and I don't even go off-roading that hard, but clearly it's just cheap plastic. So we're gonna go ahead and take this hole off now. So just kind of wanted to show you what that looked like. So I got it off. This is the underside of the vehicle. I got this plastic skid plate off. Look at this, there's a rock in there. And yeah, it's full of crap and sand and garbage. But that's what the plastic one looks like, and that's what we're gonna replace. So I'm gonna just kind of clean all this sand off, and then we're gonna go put these on the proper metal. All right, so after a while of working on this, probably an hour or so, it is finally done. My 2 cents, if you've ever gone off-roading and you have any sort of sand or dust or stuff collected underneath your truck, it's gonna just fall over your face while you're underneath there. Pretty sure I ate a pound of sand, but it is done. It looks good. Installation was pretty much a breeze for the most part. Again, outside of just needing the right tools. Like I said, I needed to go on Amazon and order the right tools, but I'll link that in the description of this video below. And then, yeah, let me flip the camera on and show you what it looks like. Okay, and here it is. That is what that looks like. Let me get underneath there and show you a little closer up. This video's camera work will not be the best, but this is metal, aluminum to be exact. It covers all the necessary parts while still leaving space for everything that has to go through. These are just easy bolts to put on, and yeah, so 10 out of 10 looks. Now we got some additional protection there underneath the front motor, control arms, and all that good stuff. I feel like MKBHD when I sit in front of my car like this, but if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it, it's bright. Please leave a comment below, like and subscribe. I'll leave a link down below to this EV Sportline skid plate, so you can check it out if you're interested in it. Thanks again to EV Sportline for providing a discount on this so I can install it. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll see you at the next one.